I love the fact that if you can work less
But,
and
but sorry to
less
interrupt.
hours.
Yeah.
It's not that it's not going well with, people understand being a mother and working for 8 hours, usually people have started working for 8 to 9 hours.
My last question to you. You know, last time you and I spoke, we spoke about, you know, how Nisha was only 1 year old when you shot My Name is Khan. And, you know, now we are talking about mothers who are wanting, new moms who are wanting an 8 hour shift in workspace, in industry, in the film industry.
Right.
What do you think as a mother? Do you think this demand is right and people reacting to it, it's not going down well with people? What do you think about this?
Well, I love the fact that if you can work less
But,
and
but sorry to
less
interrupt.
hours.
Yeah.
It's not that it's not going well with, people understand.
A lot of
everybody's
people
goals.
do, because I know a lot of filmmakers are saying, yes, please go ahead. And
Most of the honest filmmakers, I would say, will not have a problem with this. And apart from just being a mother and working for 8 hours, usually people have started working for 8 to 9 hours in a shift. So I think it's person to person, and most of the industry does understand all this.
Kajol this side. Kajol.
Yeah, one sec. Yeah.
I
Hi,
can't see,
Ajay ji.
so-
Ajay sir.
Everybody
Ajay, yeah. Yeah. It's a very sentimental coincidence that your director's name, मतलब आपका namesake है. Vishal, you know, it happens.
सोच समझ के हम लोगों ने कुंडली उंडली देख के चेक करके सब किया था.
Acha, we had seen you long back in Bhoot, you know, again a supernatural horror film where you had performed very well. So you didn't have the inclination कि मैं इसमें cameo करूँ या face the camera करूँ.
नहीं, not at all. I think हर फिल्म की अपनी कहानी होती है, अपने कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. तो जो कैरेक्टर्स इस फिल्म में सूट करते थे, उन्हें कास्ट किया गया. Like Ronit is there, and you know, so it depends from film to film.
Acha, Kajol ji, first of all, condolences for Ronuda's work.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and you know, your intensity is so impressive. You know, besides the excellent soundscape background, the amount of intensity that you have on screen is so gripping. मतलब it's, I mean, जैसे कहते हैं ना रोंगटे खड़े होते हैं, it's mind blowing. I mean, did you prepare for this, or it was just so spontaneous because you are a very spontaneous performer?
No, I don't believe in too much of a preparation. ये तो मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि मेरा preparation is more subconscious more than consciously sitting down on it. But I think that the film, the script, everything around it automatically contributed to that intensity. And I have to give credit to the director also, and I have to give credit to the camera, the photographer, and everybody involved. And अगर intensity आपको दिख रही है तो सब इन सब लोगों की वजह से भी है. So thank you.
उनको ज़रूरत ही नहीं है प्रिपरेशन की. ये इतने सालों से मतलब कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. आप बस सेट पे आती है और हंसते खेलते एनर्जी लेकर आती है सेट पे. हम सबकी हौसला अफजाई करती है और जैसे एक्शन बोला वो अपने मूड में आ जाती है और हम देखते रह जाते हैं कि अरे वाह क्या